Snakes for Safety uses venomous snakes as a metaphor for hazards in the workplace. And unusually, we bring the snakes into the presentations. And so we've been working in the creative industry in mining for years, etc. And we've seen the need for fresh ideas, and you also see what we call campaign fatigue, and so it's definitely a way of refreshing a current campaign. It involves a bit of industrial theatre that opens the presentation, that sets up the snake metaphor with hazards underground. So just like you get puff adders that are completely camouflaged in the bush, so you get, in essence, camouflaged hazards underground or wherever, like a bit of insulation that hasn't been sorted out, etc. That'll lie and wait for years until you step on it. We use puff adders, mumbas, and pythons as our three elements. The pythons are like things that start small, and you leave them, and eventually they grow big and they become a real big problem. Mambas and cobras are more like hazards that will essentially come after you, like gas or moving equipment, etc. So it uses the terror and people's fascination with snakes as a way of getting their attention, and then it runs into a whole workshop called the What's Biting Us workshop, and then we use open space technology, a mass brainstorm tool, to sort out solutions. We first used the idea some years back with Anglo Coal at Klein Colliery. We really used snakes there, and it is really the beginning of what this has become. We then did a far more elaborate version of it for Sasol at the Secunda plant shutdown, where their issues were dealing with contractors who were coming onto site and weren't at one with the issues that they were facing. And from really those two experiences, combined with our experiences with open space technology as a mass brainstorm medium, we have turned it into more of a generic that can be adapted into any mine campaign.